Looking for the best men's sneakers for running? We've got you covered. Our channel brings you quality reviews daily, helping you find the perfect gear for your needs. Today, we're breaking down the top running sneakers to keep you comfortable and performing at your best. Stick around to see which pair suits you best. Number 1. Adidas Runfalcon 2.0 Running Shoes. The Adidas Runfalcon 2 has proved its worth as a durable and reliable everyday sneaker. After 2 years of regular wear, these shoes still hold up remarkably well. The soles show minimal wear, and the uppers remain in excellent condition, with no fading or major scuffs. Beyond their longevity, the Runfalcon 2's lightweight design makes them comfortable for all day wear across a number of activities like walking and light jogging. They also pack easily, making them a convenient travel companion. For a budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice quality or comfort, the Adidas Runfalcon 2 is a solid choice. Comfort and support for your daily run. These men's Adidas running shoes have a mesh upper that is lightweight and breathable and a rubber outsole for outstanding traction. The midsole delivers soft cushioning on every stride. Number 2. Rocket Dog Sneaker. The Rocket Dog sneaker is a stylish and comfortable choice for those looking for everyday footwear with a touch of casual flair. Designed with a plush foam insole, it provides superior cushioning and support, making it ideal for long hours of wear. The memory foam adapts to the shape of your foot, ensuring a personalized fit that enhances comfort and reduces strain on your feet. The lace-up closure offers a secure and adjustable fit, while the soft cotton lining allows for breathability, keeping your feet cool and fresh throughout the day. Crafted with high-quality materials, the upper features a mix of durable fabric and synthetic overlays, giving the sneaker a trendy and modern look. The round toe design, paired with a rubber toe cap, adds to its classic appeal while also providing extra protection. The platform sole, approximately 1.25 inches in height, offers a subtle lift without compromising stability. Overall, the Rocket Dog Cheery Comfort Plush Foam Sneaker is a versatile and practical footwear option, combining style, comfort, and durability in one package. Number 3. Men's Slip-On Walking Shoes. Design and material. Breathable mesh upper. The shoes feature a mesh knit upper that ensures breathability, keeping your feet dry and cool during workouts. Slip-on convenience. Designed for easy on and off, these shoes offer the convenience of a slip-on style, eliminating the need for laces and providing a snug fit. Lightweight construction. Weighing approximately 320 grams, these shoes are lightweight, reducing fatigue during extended periods of wear. Performance features. Non-slip outsole. The rubber outsole is designed with clear textures to provide excellent grip and anti-skid properties, enhancing safety during various activities. Shock absorption. Equipped with a memory foam insole and an EVA midsole, these shoes offer cushioning that absorbs impact, reducing stress on your joints. Number 4. New Balance 997 HV1 Sneaker. When style and comfort are equally important, the New Balance 997 HV1 is a go-to for us at T+L. These retro-inspired kicks offer great looks without sacrificing the comfort and practicality New Balance shoes are known for. Available in various materials and colors, the suede version stands out for their added texture and refined appearance, but we would have no qualms about owning a pair in each color and material. Breathability and all-day support make them comfortable for extended wear, a boon for travelers and folks who love to spend long days on their feet. They're impressively lightweight and feature reliable traction that makes the 997 HV1 easy to pack and even easier to throw on each day, making them a great choice for both travel and everyday life. A perfect blend of cushioning and style, this shoe looks as good on your morning run as it does on the runway. New Balance Made contains a domestic value of 70% or more. Made makes up a limited portion of New Balance's U.S. sales. Number 5. Olukai Mioli Sneakers. The Olukai Mioli is one of our favorites and the perfect summer travel companion. Lightweight and breathable, these sneakers prove their worth on a recent trip to Greece, where they handled everything from hikes to beach days. The standout feature is the supportive footbed combined with a convenient drop-in heel, allowing for nearly hands-free slip-on and off, a lifesaver for quickly getting out the door. Wearing them daily for 2 weeks straight, this feature proved invaluable. For effortless style and all-day comfort on your next warm-weather adventure, the Olukai Mio Lee should be a top contender. The upper is crafted from airy, quick-drying mesh, ensuring your feet stay cool and comfortable during various activities. Featuring Olukai's patented drop-in heel design, the Mio Lee allows for both shoe and slide wear, offering flexibility and convenience.